In a move that flies in the face of ominous data, Prime Minister Imran Khan has decided to further ease lockdown restrictions across the country and to reopen almost all sectors of industry, an unfortunate decision that will see a greater surge in coronavirus infections. The announcement was made by Mr. Khan after a meeting of the NCC, which deliberated on the rapid increase in daily new cases and deaths, yet did not come up with a prevention strategy. Instead, the plan, according to the Prime Minister, is to rely on citizen responsibility, take precautions, or you will continue to suffer, he said. Learn to live with it as the virus will spread till there is a vaccine, he added. What is most shocking in the decision to resume tourism in the country? The writing is on the wall. Thousands more will contract the infection and a number of people will die if the government does not come up with effective solutions while it waits for a vaccine that is at least a year away from production and distribution. It is almost as if the top leadership does not read the news or the alarming COVID-19 data. Data and news reports are crucial indicators of what is to come and must be examined closely. Pakistan is now in the world's top 10 countries when it comes to new daily deaths and cases. In May alone, 1100 people died of COVID-19 in the country with 54,000 confirmed cases in 30 days. A sample survey carried out by health authorities in Lahore estimated that around 6,000